Man, boy. Oh my gosh. Check out this little baby. Oh my gosh. What would y'all do with that? 2024 gun show. This that John Wick right here. Straight solid metal. Man. Sick. Oh my gosh. 1911. Ooh, that bitch damn, $800. Springfield Armory 1911. What y'all doing with it? Copper drop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If it's alright, can I get a video? I'm a gun YouTuber. I got like 13,000. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Trying to get it. I just got new to it. Just trying to get into it, the business. You know what I'm saying?